In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send Google Forms responses to multiple email addresses. Start by opening your form in Google Forms, the one you are already using to collect replies. This method works best when your form responses are connected to a spreadsheet because that spreadsheet is what you will email to other people. Once your form is open, look near the top of the editor and select the Responses tab. This is where Google Forms keeps a summary of submissions, and it is also where you can access the linked spreadsheet that stores every response in a table. Next, click View in Sheets. Google will open a Google Sheets file that contains your form results. If it is the first time you are doing this, Google may create a new spreadsheet for you automatically. Give it a moment to load and make sure you are looking at the sheet with your response data. Now move to the top left area of the spreadsheet and click File. This is where you will find the options for sharing and sending the document. In the File menu, hover over Email, then select Email this file. This opens an email window inside Google Sheets, designed specifically for sending the spreadsheet as an attachment or link. In the Recipients field, enter the email addresses of everyone who needs to receive the responses. You can add multiple recipients by separating each address with a comma. Take your time here and double-check spelling, because a small typo can send the file to the wrong place or fail to send at all. After that, fill in the subject line. Use something clear and specific like the form name and the date range, so recipients know what they are opening. You can also add a short message in the body to explain what the file contains and what you want the recipients to do with it, such as review new submissions or archive the latest responses. When everything looks correct, click Send. Google Sheets will send the file to all listed recipients. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.